Satnam. Hola amigos. I'm here to share my experience being a Kundalini yoga teacher. Well, almost. I finished my studies with YogaVision and I'm super happy because I resonated very much with Kundalini yoga. But it is not for everybody. It is the kind of practice that will improve you from the root of who you are in order to influence your mental, spiritual, and physical well-being. Not everybody is in that journey, but if you are, Kundalini yoga is probably the best option for you. I started a long time ago, and it has not been easy for me because I've been going through difficult times in my life. But the more I learn, the more I appreciated having given me the time to study it. And now I feel like I want to keep learning Kundalini yoga to be better, because to me it is that key that I was missing in how to congregate and meet and find harmony in between my material world, my spiritual world, and my mental world. It's beautiful. But yeah, you have to be interested in doing such holistic exploration. And you know what has been the greatest blessing for me? It's like I'm overcoming fear. And I'm a person who suffered fear all my life, but now I'm in a journey that I really not only want but feel like I can release it. And it's amazing because behind fear, it's, I think, what we all really want. So I'm super thankful for studying Kundalini yoga, to YogaVision, for bringing this path to us in a very inclusive way. If you want to know what makes YogaVision special, I would say it's that open mind, inclusivity, where everybody feels welcome. And this is something very appreciated in the world that we're living today. So I think it's a very traditional practice, but a lot of current life spirit on it. It doesn't feel old, even though it's something that comes from a long time ago. It feels very relevant to today. So if you feel like ready for it, don't hesitate. Yeah, I mean, I'm super happy with the decision I made. Bye.